Hey guys, welcome back. If you've watched my previous episode of the Toreba wins and unboxing, you'll know that I won this Kakashi figure. So this video is going to be the box opening and review and like putting the figure together video. So let's have a look at the box first. So you'll see the box has pictures of Kakashi in different poses and stuff, so you can get a good look of what the figure actually looks like even before you open it. And it's a pretty decent sized box as well. So and the good thing is on the inside it tells you what doll is actually next to come up. So you could see that it was a Sasuke figure that was next. So it comes in this little pre-box sort of thing just to protect all of the pieces of the figure, so we can go ahead and pull those pieces out. There is some assembly required in these figures. The Kakashi one is the least bit of assembly required. As you can see, there's really only 3 bits because he doesn't have like interchangeable heads or hands or anything like that. And I know with the Sasuke one, he has the Chidori, which you can change his hands around and stuff. So, but the Kakashi one doesn't have that, which is like kind of unfortunate because Kakashi is my favourite figure, so I would have liked to put him in different poses. But maybe they'll come out with something else and I'll totally get that one too. So I'm going to go ahead, open the packet and pull all of the bits out. So we're going to start off with the body, and the body is in one piece this time, so you don't actually have to do any assembly for the body itself. So not the arms or the legs, they already come pre-assembled. I know with the other ones you have to put some of the feet or the hands or different face plates and stuff on there. So as you can see, the top has a peg on there, which the head sits on top of it. I would have liked a different head with the Sharingan that he's showing. It would have been good to have 2 different face plates of that and the Chidori on his hands. But oh well, I don't know why they didn't do it, because they did it for Sasuke and Naruto, but doesn't matter anyway. It's still a really nice quality figure, and the paint job is really well done on it. I'm really happy with the way it's painted. So let's have a look at the head, and like I said, it's only one head and it's just a solid piece. So it just has his pretty much trademark look with his headband over one of his eyes, the eye that has the Sharingan obviously, and just his usual kind of chilled out expression as well. The hair's really well painted and the eyes are actually pretty well painted as well. Well, the eye, as it's in center, it's not like wonky or anything. And you can see the peg system, how it just sort of goes on there. It's not very difficult to put it together. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop the head on. So like I said, Kakashi is my favourite Naruto character. So let me know in the comments what your favourite Naruto character is. I don't know who my second favourite would be. I kind of like Naruto, he's good. I like the character and his attitude and stuff, he's great. Alright, so this is the weird stand that you kind of get with it. I had a bit of trouble trying to work out how it actually fitted into the feet, but I worked it out and the stand is actually quite good because it sort of molds into what the leg looks like. So it doesn't really look like he's on a stand, it just looks like an attachment or something. But yeah, it makes it stand pretty securely, so pretty good idea with the little J type stand. So yeah, I didn't mind it at all. So all in all, it is a pretty solid figure. There's no chance of it really falling over. Obviously, if you pushed it over, it would fall over. Especially with the stand, it makes it a bit more sturdier. I know the feet are actually level, so there's no like weird rocking or anything. And the paint job is pretty much immaculate as well. There's no like over painting or overspray or anything or underspray. It's really well painted. So kudos to the people that actually put these together and make them, because they do a really, really good job. And it's really cool with the satin finish as well and some matte finishes. It just doesn't look like a cheap doll, and for the price that you can actually go and buy it in the shop, it's pretty good. But like I said, I won this on Toreba, but you can find it in shops and stuff like that. So I'll just do a quick pan around the body and I'll leave you with that. And that will be it for me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any video requests, you can leave it in the comments down below. You can also check me out on Instagram and Facebook at Creatures of Nat, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!